Hi guys, this is Yasmina. I am the social media marketing coordinator here at Tribe, and today I'm going to show you how to sign up. So first you click get started and type in your email address. I'm using my Tribe email. All the things that you need to do is first name, last name, password, and put in your location. So I am in the United States, out in Virginia, in Fairfax, so type in that, and then under it you select if you are open for remote work. So pretty easy. Hit get started and you should be getting a confirmation email within minutes. So once that comes through, just click the link. I copy and pasted it because it was easier. So click that and just take you to this. So you select what you are. You're an individual expert and how long you have, how many years of experience you have, as well as what type of job you're looking for. So depending on the job that you're looking for, you'll put in your compensation. For a permanent role, you'd be doing a yearly salary. For a short-term project or a long-term project, you'd be putting in an hourly wage. So go ahead and do that. We put in an hourly wage because we did a short-term project. So then you decide your core skills. Later on, you'll be taking a test for the skills that you choose. I do social media marketing, so I selected that. I clicked others just so you would see that there was a drop down. Um, Again, just showing you guys there's a drop down, but I went ahead and just kept it as social media marketing, and then I picked the industries. The two industries I work in are where are they? They are sports and recreation, as well as home products. You can click a few of them. You click up to 5, and at the bottom you select your 2 key ones. Those are my 2 key categories, so I pick those both, and then hit next. Then you select your values. You choose up to 5, and then which ones you mark as your key values. You'll see them on the website. They'll show up because we do believe in matching people with jobs that share the same values. If you have one of your own, you can write it, and then you have to have your resume and headshot handy so you can put them. And I decided to write a bio. Yasmina Karakshu is the social media marketing coordinator, so I wrote that there. And also uploaded my headshot. Well, I uploaded my resume first. So once you do that, you'll be guided into logging in again so you can take your test. Again, for each skill that you list, you should take a test. So once you take a test, see the only one that pops up for me is social media marketing. And once your test results are reviewed, you will end up as an expert on our website. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait for you to start matching here at Tribe.